Hey, good morning everyone. So this is where we are today. So we are at Pennypack Creek. So let's take a shot at what's happening here. It was recently stocked up here. So let's take a look. Uh, Keep you updated. Okay, thank you guys. We are going in search of the fish. Okay. They recently stocked this place, but I don't see much fishes around. But yep. But it's really beautiful, so I don't mind fishing, even though I don't catch many fishes today. It's really beautiful out there. What a nice day. Looks like we just got a hit. Looks like trout. Small trout. Let's bring that in. Yeah, it's a small rainbow trout. It looks like a small rainbow trout. Let's bring that in. There's a small rainbow trout down there. Yep. So we're walking through the creek and we're casting and covering distance to see like where it is. Just got ahead. It's a tiny sunfish. It hit on a worm, a pink worm. Yeah, there we have it. This is another location they love to hide, right under those wood logs. Not sure if you can see them. Okay guys, so this is what we have caught for today. Like 3 rainbow trout. I couldn't get them on video because it was all so quick when I caught them, but that's what we have for today. It's like 3 rainbow trout. Yep, that's a limit for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please do consider subscribing to our channel. It helps me to make more videos like this. Also, if you haven't checked out our previous videos, it's right on the top and the bottom. This is the previous videos, and also we did do underwater fishing video for trout, where we had like more than 200 to 300 trout under the water. So if you haven't seen that, please check out that video as well. Also, if you have any comments regarding what kind of fishing that you would like to watch and stuff, please do mention them right below. Thank you so much.